Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from channel Guide Hub. In this video, I am going to show you how to create Minecraft images from ChatGPT. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection and then open your ChatGPT. We need to be logged in ChatGPT to create images, so make sure that you are signed in. Here you can see different options, and since we are going to create image, we are going to tap on create image. Use this prompt to generate the image. Since we are going to transform an image into Minecraft style, we need to attach an image. In order to do that, tap on the image icon which is on the left of the search bar. Here your gallery will appear and you have to choose the photo that you want to transform. When you are done giving the prompt and providing the photo, tap on the arrow icon. It will take few minutes to generate the photo. If you are using free version of ChatGPT, then you will be able to generate 3 to 4 free images per day. You can see that Minecraft style image is created now. You can download it from here. I hope you found this video useful. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching.